Hi, this is SPSS in Focus, section 5.6. And so as usual, we're going to start in variable view. I don't often wear a pink t-shirt to teach, but Spirit Week here, so I've got to go along with it. And so in variable view, we have three variables in this example, and our first one is hospital, followed by insurance and frequencies. And so each of these variables are going to be in whole numbers, so we're going to change the decimal spots to 0 for each of them. And we do want to come over on hospital, we're going to code it, and so we're going to change our values. So we're going to click right here. For the value 1, and we want to give that the label of public. And so we'll hit add, and if we have the value of 2, then that will get the label of private. That would be a private hospital. And we'll hit add and say OK. And then for insurance, we want to go ahead and add some values there. So for 1, that's going to get the label of insured. And for 2, it's going to get the label of uninsured. And we'll go ahead and click back over to data view. Alright, so with our data entered here, again we have our variables labeling the columns. We want to weight the cases, so we're going to click the data menu, come down to weight cases. We want to select to weight cases, and then we're going to choose by the variable frequencies. And so you may have to drag the variable frequencies over into this spot. We're going to hit OK. And so now we are going to click back into our original window, and we're going to go up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and we're going to click on Cross Tabs. And so for our rows, we are going to select Hospital, and for our columns, we are going to select Insurance, and we are going to hit Paste, and then the syntax editor will pop up. We want to go ahead and click the green arrow for Run. And then that is going to produce a table down here for us for each of the different hospital types, how many individuals we had, insured, uninsured, totals for both, total insured, total uninsured. And then up here, this is actually giving you the total samples overall with the interaction of hospital insurance. You have all combinations, you have 200 total values, which is the same number we see down here. And so this is a quick way to make a table to sort out your different types of data. Now, sorting data isn't the only use for a table like this. It actually makes it really easy to figure probabilities, especially assuming that this is the whole population. From this, we can figure out what the probability of an individual being insured or not insured is, or the chance that an individual was at a public or private hospital, or that someone was both insured and at a public hospital. And so from that, we can get probabilities for each of those possible combinations.